What's your name and what do you do? How did you get that kind of work? Anyone who is starting their career, what piece of advice would you give? Any investment philosophy? If money was not a problem, what would your dream job be?
I am so excited. I'm here in Gourock, Scotland. Gourock is a town in the Inverclyde Council area and was formerly a seaside resort, but today it is mainly a residential area. So today I'm going to be asking its residents what they do for a living, as well as other bunch of questions. So let's go.
What do you do for a living?
Oh, I'm retired now, sorry.
Okay, no problem.
Okay,
thank you. What's your name and what do you do for a living?
Jason, I'm an account manager for a cyber security company.
How much do you make per year?
About 100.
How did you get that kind of work?
Been doing this job for different companies for a long time now.
Just asking people what they do for a living.
Oh, no, thank you.
Alright, no problem.
Thank you.
Alright. Anyone who's starting their career, what piece of advice would you give them?
Just work hard, apply yourself, you know, and try and be ambitious, try and do your best. That's it.
Yeah. And any investment philosophy you have?
Investment philosophy? Stay away from crypto.
That's true.
No one makes money on crypto.
Yeah. I'm asking people what they do for a living.
Oh, no, thanks.
No problem.
Thank you very
No
much.
problem. What's your name and what do you do?
I'm Akshit and I'm a software engineer,
How did you get that work?
and I did just apply for jobs and they wanted some smart people here, I guess.
Yeah.
And that's how I landed up here. And then
That's so good. And on average, how much do you make per year?
somewhere around £50,000.
That's so
per year,
good.
Yeah.
And anyone who is starting their career, what piece of advice would you give them?
Study hard, I guess, and don't lose hope, because there is a crunch when it comes to getting jobs here. But then, if you are consistent enough to apply for different jobs and upgrade your skills at the same moment, so you can do it.
That's good. If you could go back in time, what piece of advice would you give to your young self?
What I feel is it's not only about the job that you're looking for or maybe how much money you make. It's all about the life you enjoy as well, as part of the hustle culture that we're following. And maybe balance both things out and get the best out of yourself.
That's so good.
Yeah.
And if money was not a problem, what would be your dream job?
I'm into fitness, so I'm not sure if it would be a career as such, but I would love to be fit and happy throughout. But I also feel like if as a human being you should be passionate about something and also start making money, and that is something which gives you happiness as well, because if you get a lot of money for free, I'm not sure how do you value that money. If you work hard for it, that's when you start valuing money so much and starting exploring and enjoying your life much better.
That's so good. And what is your investment philosophy?
I think I'm kind of young. I'm 26, so I guess I'm into stocks now, and maybe someday I'll get into real estate as well. Sounds fancy, but then maybe someday.
So if you had an option between choosing to start your own business or getting a job, what would you choose?
That depends on person to person, but when it comes to me, I feel having a job is not bad, because everyone thinks we want to become our own bosses, but I feel if everyone becomes their own bosses, who will actually work for them, right?
Exactly.
So I feel you should be ready to work for someone, and maybe if you are doing a good job, you can make a good career out of it. And it's not only that it gives you happiness is what you become a boss. Maybe you work for someone else and you become a part of that culture, and you make that company grow as well, and that you have that inside you, that this company is mine, and that is the feeling that we're talking about.
That's so good. And lastly, what budget tips you would give someone?
I used to be very frugal, I guess, but now I feel like you should splurge once in a while, and whatever makes you happy. If living like nomad makes you happy, do that. But then if buying something expensive makes you happy, do that as well, because end of the day you don't know if you're gonna live tomorrow or not. So maybe have a life insurance as such, but
So there you have it. Don't forget to like and share the video. Subscribe for more.
Also consider watching our other videos on my left.